Hello, spaghetti night. I think I was watching B Love and her husband. I forget what his name is. Anyways, I was watching her eating spaghetti last night, and I was like, I got to have it. I got to have it. Of course, everybody else already ate. Saucy. It's good. So I go on my trip soon. On Friday morning, I'm leaving. And super excited. I need to start packing, or at least like lay everything out. Thanks for all the comments about when I was telling you about that lady who was being a little bit out of her lane. Say it nicely. She was in my business. It's gonna be so good tomorrow too for lunch. I swear I'd be blowing food and it's not even hot. Like, why?